how to fix you need to verify your account in order to perform this action in Discord. So that pretty much means you'll have to verify your account or basically your details in your Discord account. So just go ahead to your user settings, and usually you'll have to verify either your email or your phone number or both. So just go ahead and press on the edit button, and you'll be getting this little text where you can verify your email address. So they will send a verification code to your email. So just go ahead to your Gmail from that account and put in the verification code. That way you can verify your email. And for your number, all you have to do is put in a number, and that way you'll get a text message with a verification code. So your phone number can be used to verify one Discord account at a time, and is only used for verification and logging in. So those two is the pretty much the only two details that will be asked to verify for your account. And that way, once you do, you can go ahead and try doing the action that you're doing. And that's pretty much how you can verify your account in Discord. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.